All right, guys. Well, heater box is all put back together. Like I said, I gotta get a heater core hose, make some extra lengths to go in the engine bay. Ooh, Mustang's inside. Because we got possibly the right clutch.
We do.
Okay.
We're gonna do a little
Comparison
we're gonna
here.
do a little conversation.
Okay.
What's our other just getting old sucks, dude. Fucking hurts. Anyway.
Somebody's getting old. Good thing I'm only 25.
You're right on the moon.
Okay.
So notice we have two different clutch alignment tools, correct?
Yep.
Okay. Walk with me, talk with me. Now, this trans here is the one that was in the car. It's the one we've always had. It's the one Justin went through. Now, the spline count is the same. There's two different diameters of input shaft. And the later engines, like what was in the car, which was not correct for the model year, by the way,
Oh.
should have the larger input shaft. But measuring this, it comes back to the smaller input shaft, which is correct for 66 and earlier. So it has a smaller input shaft, but it's the later trans, and the car had the later bell housing, which is over here. Right. Now this is the clutch that came out of the car with the flywheel. Notice that does not fit. This one for the earlier fits. That's our old pressure plate, our flywheel. That's the bell housing that came with the car. That's the plate. We went over that in the videos. This is the clutch that's supposed to go to this flywheel. Please note small, large.
Yeah, that's kind of shocking.
So that wouldn't have even flown to begin with, even if this was right. So, but the diameters are the same as those are the 9-inch clutch. So that's strange. Now we come over here. There's the bell housing we got from Alan. There's the flywheel we got from Alan. This is our disc that we had to basically order overnight. The other one gets to go back later. We'll figure it out. We'll work out the differences in cost, blah, 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 whatever. Flywheel side. Like a glove. Perfect. So, if we would have used, like if we had rebuilt the stock motor, the stock engine, and sleeved it, which would have been ludicrously expensive.
I highly doubt
If we would have done that,
but
we are shooting video
I know
here,
what you
Scott.
mean.
Thanks.
Oh.
Fucking Scotty.
Hey,
What?
we can't be cursing no more.
Why the fuck not?
I'm trying to be a little more professional.
Eh.
A little more.
I'm being real world. There's a difference. You want to be fake like those idiots on Discovery Channel? No. I won't curse if I have a contract for a show. Somebody. Anyway. So note. Early style input shaft on later style trans. But it fits perfectly fine. This fits in here perfectly fine. So, blessing in disguise, boys and girls, because, yeah, anyway, we'll put the pressure plate on, and everything's going to be a happy camper now. So that's going to get ready to go in. We'll get our trans on. We'll get our clutch fork all situated, new throw-out bearing, all the goodies. And then, we can put the starter on before it goes in, have everything dressed and ready to go, and then this is going in there. Like ASAP.
Yay!
Yay! Alrighty.